Hello, friends. If you want to become a successful personality, you should know what is success. First, we need to know the definition of success. Success is a wide term which could either mean success on a national level or on individual level. Today, we will be discussing success on individual level. The reason is that success on individual level leads to success on the national level. Steps to success. First one is you have to aim, then put your hard work, and third one is mindset and focusing, motivation, inspiration, management, utilizing potential, taking risk. First, let us discuss aim. The first and the most important step towards success is your aim. Aim depends on how big targets you set in your life. The basis of success starts by setting targets. It is the root of success. These targets are the main reason for which a person lives even every days of his life. Hard work. In order to achieve success in life, you need to put in a lot of effort and hard work. Without hard work and determination, there is no success. There are no shortcuts to success. Mindset. You must develop a mindset which depicts your struggle for achieving your targets in life. It shows your attitude towards life. It shows you face the challenges you encounter in your pursuit towards your targets. Focusing. Focusing is also another important key to success. It depends on how sharply you face on your targets, on overlooking that obstacles in your life, in your path. Obstacles are those dreadful things you see when you take your eyes off your target. Motivation. Motivation is the main driving force behind action. Motivation is the reason why a person wants to be successful. When it comes to motivation, knowing is not as important as doing. Certainly, you need some intelligence, knowledge, base, study skills, and time management skills. But if you don't have motivation, you won't get far. Inspiration. The word inspires means to influence someone by examples. The reason why inspiration is important for success is that it sticks to the action, that it sticks to you to action. Different people get motivated differently, but mostly motivation is achieved through inspiration. It ignites you for further advancement. It motivates you to achieve your target, your aims, your goals, and your ambitions. Managing your life, it depends on how you manage everything in your life, how you develop a good routine, how you manage time. You need to plan every day of your life. You need to set a time table which would help you in developing a good routine. Living up to your potentials. To be successful, you need to utilize your underlying potentials that God has gifted to you. The remote control of your life is in your hand. You can mold your life in any direction you want. You must use your potentials in such a way that when you die, you must have this satisfaction that you have lived up to your potentials in a positive manner. Taking risks in life, you need to take risk. The context in which risk taking is being considered here is about jeopardizing your gains in the no achievement of something more valuable. The best thing about taking risk is that if it pays off, then it's quite be beneficial for you and even if you fail, you learn a lot from it. The most successful person is one who is not afraid of taking risks at the right time. The real success, the real success is that which would help you not only in this life but also in the life after death. Real success is succeed when the targets are set in accordance with the principles of our religion so that God is satisfied by us. Our success should be such that it leaves an everlasting impact on the world so that it remembers us with respect and honor. After our death, our name lives till eternity. Set in order to be successful, you need to take this important step so that you can achieve your targets in life. Thank you very much.